Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a mango and date milkshake. Mangoes are a really tasty fruit that are rich in fibre, and dates are a filling sweet food that are very rich in lots of different vitamins, one of the main ones being vitamin K. Dates are also very rich in calcium. So this is a healthy, tasting and filling milkshake just waiting for you. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. We will need 150 milliliters of milk, 5 to 6 dates, and we've already took the seeds out. Then we've got 1 chopped mango, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and some grated almonds for garnishing. So we're going to start by adding our dates, as dates take a little bit more time to soften up. So we'll just add a little bit of milk. And then we're going to blend these together. This will make sure that they are nicely crushed and you won't have big lumps of dates in your milkshake. So you can just check the consistency with a spoon and make sure that they are nicely softened. There might be a couple of pieces, but it's nice to get a little bit of a different texture as well. So then we'll add in our mangoes. We've freshly chopped these mangoes. And we're going to add our cardamom for a nice extra boost of flavour. And along with that, we're going to add in the rest of our milk. So this is our mango date milkshake ready. This is the consistency we're making it. You can make it a bit thinner or a bit thicker. Now it's time for plating. I hope you've liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!